What's up, everybody? I suck at making TikToks. This is like my 5th one, trying already. Welcome to our badass tent camping adventure.